Welcome to one of the world's most advanced electric bike manufacturing facilities, where cutting-edge technology meets precision engineering.
Hello, I'm Marco, lead production supervisor here. Today, I'm going to walk you through the incredible journey of how we manufacture some of the world's
Every bike manufactured here represents over 50 years of engineering excellence, advanced robotics, and a commitment to sustainability.
All right, driver, keep coming back slow. Watch your left side. Clear to the dock. We're ready for the unload.
Every material batch is checked against our ISO 9001 quality standards. Battery cells are stored in climate-controlled conditions to maintain optimal performance. We pre-stage all components in precision kits, one complete set per bike assembly station. This facility operates in 3 continuous shifts, 24 hours per day, 6 days per week. Each weld is automatically inspected by our AI-powered vision system, checking for 47 different quality parameters. The powder coating is fused to the frame in our curing ovens at 200 degrees Celsius for ultimate durability. Advanced quality systems ensure a flawless finish on every single frame.
Each worker is trained for weeks to master their assembly task with absolute precision.
The worker uses an alignment tool to verify the chainring is perfectly parallel. Even 1 millimeter of misalignment would affect efficiency.
The rear hub motor is the power source, generating up to 750 watts of assistance to the rider.
The battery provides range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge.
Our gearing systems are tuned for silent, reliable shifting across multiple gear ratios.
After ensuring exactly 45 psi, the dial indicator confirms perfect alignment, followed by a smooth rotation with zero resistance.
Every battery is tested to ensure safe operation and longevity.
Safety cutoff systems ensure the motor stops instantly when brakes are applied. Range testing validates that this battery delivers the promised 120-kilometer range under normal conditions.
Any bikes not meeting our standards are reworked at our quality station, ensuring 100% compliance before shipping.
Secure the Velcro here first.
And I'll add the bubble wrap around the fork. Make sure it's snug. All right, this is sequence 4, going to the downtown hub. Load it right behind the last pallet.
Our bikes are transported via secure, temperature-controlled logistics partners to distribution centers worldwide.
Here is your bike, sir. Thank you very much.
We need that moved to Dock 7 now.
All right, if you could just sign here for me.
Wow, absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to ride it.
Welcome to the brand family. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy the ride.
The motor engages so smoothly. This is exactly the freedom I was looking for. That's the complete journey, from raw materials to your home. Every single bike that leaves our factory represents the dedication and expertise of our 800 team members.
Building a sustainable future, one electric bike at a time.